Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Pat Nappy here from PNLearning.net, and I got another video for you in my series on the SAT practice test number 2. This is from the College Board website, but it actually got taken down, so you won't find it there anymore, but I did dig it up, and we're going to be going through all of the math questions on this test, and we're going to be trying to do the quickest and easiest possible solutions that I can think of. And today we're going to be going over number 9, and this is a question on the part 3. The part 3 goes a little bit quicker than a part 4, and you are not allowed to use a calculator for this section. So with that being said, let's get started. Here's number 9, and it says the graph of a line in the xy plane has a slope 2 and contains the point 1, 8. The graph of a second line passes through the points 1, 2 and 2, 1. If the two lines intersect at the point AB, what is the value of A plus B? So for this question, you have kind of two ways I can think about solving it. One way would be to find the equation of each line based on the information they gave us, and then setting those equations equal to each other. If we do it that way, we are going to have to use some substitution and some algebra, and it probably will take longer than if we just try to sketch out a graph and try to get both lines on the graph and see if you can find out where these two lines intersect. So let's see what we know about each line again. So the first line has a slope 2 and contains the point 1, 8. So if we want to sketch out a line like that, we can sort of just sketch out an x and y axes. So we just want to carefully put some tick marks here so that we can get to the point 1, 8. And so we'll just try to do this as evenly spaced as possible. And let's see, on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we're going to go up a little bit higher, and there's 8. So the point 1, 8 would generally be located right there. And the slope is 2, which means to get to the next point, we could go down and to the left. And so if we go down 2 units and left 1 unit, we'd be at this point, which would be 0, 6. And if we go down and to the left 1 more unit, we'd be at this point, negative 1, 4. And maybe let's just do one more. If we go down and to the left again, we'd be at negative 2, 2. So we're going to get sort of a sketch of the line which has a point 1, 8 and has a slope of 2. Our other point is given to us with coordinates. We have the coordinates 1, 2, and 2, 1. So 1, 2 would be right here, and 2, 1, if we just add one more tick mark there, would be here. Now, from this information, we can start to see what the slope would be. We're actually, if we start at this point, we're going to be going down 1, right 1, and this would be a slope of negative 1. And so if we want to find where the other points are in this direction so that we get over to the other line, we just reverse those, right? We can go to the left 1 and up 1, which would put us here. Then we can go to the left 1 and up 1 again, which actually takes us to a point which is already on the graph. And it looks like we have enough information to figure out our intersection point. And this point, which we're going to be told is AB, we can now identify what the A and B is, right? This is the point negative 1. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got some values. So this is the point negative 1, 4. And so A is negative 1 and B is 4. And so all we have to do now is add A and B together. So negative 1 is your A plus 4 is your B. And so if you add those together, you're going to get 3. And that ends up being choice B. End of problem. So that's pretty much the quickest way I can think of doing the problem. Just sort of, rather than writing out all of the equations and using x's and y's, you can kind of just take the information they give us and locate where these two lines are going to intersect. If you can think of a better way to do this problem, definitely leave me a comment and explain how you did it. I'm always interested to know if there is a better or quicker solution to any question on the SAT. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave me a like. Subscribe to my channel, or share this video with somebody you know who's going through SAT prep and might need a little extra help. As a reminder, I do offer one-on-one SAT prep and also group SAT courses at my website, PNLearning.net. So find your way over there if you think that's something that you might be interested in. So with that being said, that is the end of question number 9. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.